The word taqwa is mentioned repeatedly in the Quran. More than 200 times the word taqwa is mentioned in the Quran. Fasting is only mentioned once. Why is that? Because Allah Jalla wa Ala knew this. People will fast. They will remain hungry and thirsty. But one thing that people will not do is taqwa. They will not claim taqwa. They will end up like the Yahud. They will end up like the Nasara. They will end up like the Bani Israel. That is the state of the Ummah. We all fast, but we forget taqwa. We forget the maqsad of fasting. You're not eating, you're not drinking, you're not fulfilling your desires. That is Sawm. But this is not the maqsad of Sawm. You know, if something which is halal in Sharia, in the month of Ramadan, it becomes haram. It is haram to drink water. It is haram to eat. It's haram whilst you're fasting. Even though it's halal. But in the month of Ramadan, it becomes haram. What would be the state of that person who commits haram in the month of Ramadan when halal has become haram in the month of Ramadan? The maqsad of this is to attain taqwa. The way when our throat asks us, look, give me some water. When our stomach begs us, give me some food. We don't listen to our stomach, do we? But why is it when our eyes want to look at haram? When our ears want to listen to backbiting, or when we're about to touch something which is haram, we don't say to our hand, you can't do this. If the halals have been made haram in the month of Ramadan, this is something which is haram out of Ramadan. Yeah, it's like if someone doesn't eat junk food, and he says, I will not eat junk food. Why? It's bad for my health. But he ends up consuming poison. He eats poison. He starts eating poison and he doesn't eat junk food. Why? It's bad for my health. But what about poison that will kill you? So not eating and drinking in the month of Ramadan is something which is necessary. But looking at haram, speaking haram, committing haram, missing your prayers, that is like poison. That is like zahir. And why do we do that? Because we don't have taqwa. We don't have taqwa. And this is why constantly Allah Jalla wa Ala is reminding us. Taqwa, 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 tattaqoon, ittaqullah. Why? That is the goal of Ramadan, to attain taqwa. And what is taqwa? Consciousness of Allah Jalla wa Ala. Awareness of Allah Jalla wa Ala. To know that Allah is watching me. To fear Allah Jalla wa Ala.